hospital reopening turned into a bloodbath in Haiti. Two journalists were killed, others wounded, and chaos reigned as gangs tightened their grip on the nation. What led to this shocking turn of events? Tuesday marked the highly anticipated reopening of Port-au-Prince's General Hospital, Haiti's largest public health facility, shut down earlier this year due to gang violence. But as journalists gathered to cover the event, suspected gang members opened fire in a brutal Christmas Eve attack. Two journalists, Markenzie Nathox and Jimmy Jean, were killed. Robert Dimanche, a spokesperson for the online media collective, confirmed their deaths and reported that several others were wounded. The attack was allegedly carried out by the Vive Assam gang coalition. Haiti's interim president Leslie Voltaire addressed the nation following the attack. Voltaire offered condolences to the victims, the national police, and the journalists, pledging that justice would be served. He did not, however, provide a precise count of casualties. Disturbing footage shared online showed bloodied bodies of the slain journalist, one with the press credential still hanging around his neck. Radio Tele Metronome reported that 7 journalists and 2 police officers were wounded, but authorities have yet to verify these claims. Street gangs now control an estimated 85% of Port-au-Prince, crippling the city's infrastructure. The General Hospital, located near Haiti's National Palace, had been forced to close earlier this year after violence ravaged the area, targeting key institutions like the airport and prisons. Gang leader Johnson Izo Andre, a prominent figure in the Vive Assam coalition, claimed responsibility for the attack in a social media video. Andre stated the hospital's reopening had not been authorized by his gang, further showcasing the terrifying reach of these groups. Haiti's healthcare system is collapsing under the weight of gang violence. Hospitals and pharmacies have been looted, burned, and destroyed, leaving a surge of patients with nowhere to run. The situation is exacerbated during the rainy season, which brings heightened risks of water-borne diseases like cholera. UNICEF reports over 85,000 suspected cholera cases in the country, with conditions in camps and makeshift settlements worsening. This attack is not an isolated incident. Haiti has seen journalists targeted before, including the killings of 2 reporters in 2023. The press, caught in the crossfire of escalating gang wars, continues to face immense danger. The General Hospital itself stands as a symbol of the nation's turmoil. When authorities regained control of it earlier this year, they found bullet-riddled walls and debris-strewn grounds, evidence of recent battles. Haiti's gang violence shows no signs of abating, leaving its people, institutions, and journalists vulnerable. The attack on the hospital reopening underscores the depth of the crisis. With a crumbling health system and widespread instability, can Haiti find a way forward? Stay tuned for updates as Haiti grapples with the consequences of gang dominance and its impact on public safety and healthcare.